Alright, it's 12:45. I live right about here. About 30 minutes south of Chicago. And it's not going to focus, but this is what's on the ground already. Just a few flurries starting to fly around. So, should be any time now. The wind's starting to pick up also. Alright, it's about 1:41. We got our generator all set up.
It's a receiver.
Oh, it's not the right adapter?
No.
And the snow is starting to fly around and blow around here. It's very, very cold out. And windy. This sucks. We got to go to Ace Hardware or Menards and get a 240 volt adapter for our furnace, because it's obviously no good to have a generator, but better late than never, I guess.
We have electrical tape.
Look at the grocery store parking lot. It's about 2:35 and everybody's decided to go shopping, and including my father. I don't know why. I think he just wants to be out in it. I just want to go home and sit at home and enjoy it safely. But he keeps coming up with more and more stupid errands to run. I think he enjoys it because he's got his 4x4 on. Yay. Yeah, that's going to do a whole lot. Oh, looks like Dad's out of the grocery store. He's got the survival materials. Whatever it is, it must be essential. We'll find out why we had to stop here. You got it? What'd you get?
Just some hot chocolate.
See, we got milk and Hershey syrup. So we can have chocolate milk.
Hot chocolate.
Good. We would have died without this, Dad, right?
Yep, right.
Yeah. We're not the only idiots on the road. There's the whiteout.